The extended jack NORDBERG N3205n is used in tire installations and at service stations. The device is used to lift the desired side of the vehicle or any engine, gearbox units, for subsequent repair or maintenance. There is a quick lift pedal. The maximum height is 570 mm. The descent is carried out by rotating the handle by means of a reliable gimbal assembly. The robust steel construction with strong connections ensures reliability in operation. The minimum height is 150 mm. The jack design is self-centering when lifting the load. With the handle tilt lock and rotating rear and powerful front wheels, there will be no problems for good maneuverability and stability under load. The maximum load capacity of the jack is 5 tons. The total weight of the jack is 85 kilograms.